Oh my god, I can't believe all that planning paid off. I did not. So, yes, I had to actually devise a route for these 100 coins because I was so deathly afraid of them. I hate this level. It's not even because I just have trouble with it. It's well designed. I like it. It's just I have trouble with it for some reason. I have more trouble with this than Worlds 14 and 15. When you see Worlds 14 and 15, you won't understand what I mean by that. Oh. But yeah, the rest of this world is fairly simple for me. Ow. Come on, stop running yourself, man. Stop running yourself, man. Did I nail it? Did I nail it? Did I nail it? Oh, I don't think I nailed it. Oh, damn. But this is going so well so far. I'm very happy. No, I bet I jinxed it and I'm gonna die. Gosh darn it. Now, I don't think I'm gonna do these stars in order. Just because, why would I? I mean, the evil world, in my opinion. So I'm gonna do an early boss fight. Oh, please, really? Really? Really, man? Oh, yeah, go. Really? Okay. Okay, alright. Alright.